Hello and welcome. I am going to fix the mirror modifier, but first, let me go on to the classic car that I put in so much effort. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling. I don't know. I don't know what word to say, but I just had some dinner. I think that I'm not sitting properly. Now I'm sitting properly. Cool. All right, I think this is what the teacher was talking about. So the teacher was referencing mirror modifier, okay? If your mirror modifier isn't working, I think it is working. It's just hard to tell. But I just need to probably move the wheels. That's not it. Move it out a little. Okay. Great. We probably should join these all together. Control J. Wow, it looks like a legitimate car. Now what we need to do is use the mirror modifier. Mirror? Yes, it's working now. Oh my goodness, please be quiet. Wow, look at my car now. But first, turn off the X, go to the Z. Okay, let's go to the X. Let's send it to the teacher. But what if it wasn't working? I don't think there's anything else I need to do with this. But with that being said, Control A, rotations and scale, yeah, it's fine. It's fine the way it is. The x-axis, yes, that's worked. So in case you ever need help with the mirror modifier, use this guide. I know this object's not done. I need to complete this. Battery, I don't care about you. I don't mean to be mean.